The wait is finally over. After years of relatively incremental improvements and subtle design refreshes, Apple is preparing to unleash the most ambitious upgrade yet in its rugged smartwatch lineup. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 for fans of the Ultra series, especially those who hike through a remote wilderness, dive into deep waters, or simply want next-level health insights. This year's model isn't just a refresh. It's a revolution in wearable technology. The Apple Watch Ultra 3, expected to be officially unveiled in fall 2025, promises to bring 3 industry-shifting features that respond directly to the demands of real users. These include advanced health tracking tools, true iPhone-independent communication via satellite, and a leap to 5G connectivity tailored for smartwatches. Let's dive deep into what makes the Ultra 3 a true game-changer, how these innovations impact real-world use, and why this model is poised to dominate the premium smartwatch market in 2025 and beyond. The evolution of Apple Watch Ultra. From rugged to revolutionary, and Apple introduced the first Apple Watch Ultra in 2022. It was a bold new direction, built to endure extreme conditions, packed with features tailored for outdoor explorers, athletes, and professionals, and housed in a rugged titanium body. The Ultra quickly set a new benchmark in Apple's wearable ecosystem. However, since its debut, the upgrades have been mostly incremental. The Ultra 2 in 2023 brought with it a S9 chip, a brighter display, and a new titanium black color. But many longtime users felt it didn't justify an upgrade. It lacked the groundbreaking features needed to truly redefine the category. Now in 2025, Apple is poised to deliver what fans have truly been waiting for: next-level features that make a real impact on how the watch is used, especially in off-grid, high-performance, and health-critical scenarios. 1. High blood pressure detection. A new frontier in wearable health monitoring, perhaps the most important and life-enhancing addition in the Apple Watch Ultra 3, is its ability to detect elevated blood pressure levels. But let's be clear, this feature doesn't turn your wrist into a full medical diagnostic device. Instead of offering traditional systolic and diastolic blood pressure numbers, the Ultra 3 uses advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms to detect early signs of hypertension, a silent condition that affects hundreds of millions worldwide. How it works: technology is similar to the sleep apnea detection tool Apple introduced earlier. Rather than trying to replicate the functionality of a clinical blood pressure cuff, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 uses continuous monitoring, AI-based pattern recognition, and real-time health analytics to determine if your cardiovascular system is showing warning signs of chronic elevated blood pressure. Once abnormal trends are detected, such as elevated pulse wave velocity, heart rate variability changes, or increased arterial stiffness, the watch will discreetly alert you. It might not tell you your exact numbers, but it will urge you to consult a healthcare provider, potentially catching hypertension early before it leads to serious health problems like stroke, heart attack, or organ damage. Why this matters: Apple's approach avoids the pitfalls of over-promising diagnostic accuracy, while still giving users actionable health insights. Combined with the Apple Watch's existing health toolkit, including ECG, blood oxygen saturation, respiratory tracking, and AFib detection, this blood pressure alert system makes the Ultra 3 one of the most advanced, health-centric wearables ever released. And for fitness enthusiasts and athletes, this feature provides valuable training data that could improve endurance, manage recovery periods, and detect stress before it becomes performance-limiting. 2. Satellite messaging. Finally, true independence from the iPhone. Until now, the Apple Watch, even the Ultra series, required a nearby iPhone or cellular coverage to perform tasks like messaging. But what about users who venture far off-grid? Mountain climbers, desert trekkers, or sailors in the open sea don't always have cell towers nearby. That's where the Apple Watch Ultra 3's new satellite communication feature becomes a literal lifeline. How Apple Watch satellite connectivity works: built in partnership with Globalstar. This feature allows the Ultra 3 to send and receive short text messages without any cellular or Wi-Fi network, whether you're on top of a mountain or deep in a forest. As long as you have a clear view of the sky, you can still reach out, even in emergencies. This is the same satellite network that Apple began leveraging with the iPhone 14's emergency SOS via satellite. However, Apple has now ported this powerful safety and communication tool to its most rugged device. And it's a huge win for adventurers. Emergency messaging and BN satellite messaging on the Ultra 3 won't just be for emergencies. You'll also be able to send routine location updates, simple text, or check-ins to friends and family. It's not designed for heavy data use. Don't expect to stream music or FaceTime from the summit of Everest, but it guarantees essential communication, which can be life-saving in isolated areas. Key benefits: peace of mind in remote regions, no dependency on iPhone, integrated into Apple's Find My networkable for hiking, climbing, sailing, camping, or expeditions. This feature positions the Apple Watch Ultra 3 as the ultimate standalone smartwatch for survivalists and explorers, not just a luxury accessory. 3. 5G RedCap, the perfect balance of speed and efficiency. While 5G smartphones have been around for years, the Apple Watch Ultra series has lagged behind, continuing to use 4G LTE even in the 2024 models. With the Ultra 3, that finally changes, but Apple isn't just slapping on full 5G like in the iPhone. Instead, they're using a smarter version called 5G RedCap Produce capability, a battery-efficient, streamlined version of 5G designed specifically for devices like smartwatches, smart rings, and fitness bands. What is 5G RedCap? 5G RedCap offers faster speeds and lower latency than LTE while consuming significantly less power than traditional 5G. This makes it perfect for wearables, where battery life is a top priority and data needs are moderate. The new 5G connection allows for faster app downloads and updates, better Siri responsive and smart streaming for podcast and Apple Music, faster data sync with iCloud and FaceTime, audio calls and messaging when away from your phone. This upgrade matters for users who rely on their Apple Watch as a standalone fitness and communication device. The jump to 5G RedCap means fewer dropped connections, faster performance, and less battery anxiety. And in combination with satellite messaging, it further pushes the Ultra 3 toward full independence from the iPhone. Smarter, stronger, more capable, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 Vision. So, what does all this add up to? Apple is clearly doubling down on its mission to make the Ultra a true adventure and health companion, not just a premium-tier Apple Watch. It's about utility, independence, and life-saving features, not just shiny materials and a larger screen. Let's recap the game-changing features. Hypertension alerts using predictive health modeling, satellite-based messaging for true off-grid communication, Gen 5G RedCap support for faster, smarter connectivity. Each of these solves real-world problems. Want to leave your iPhone at home and still stay connected? Now you can. Need health insights that could save your life? The Ultra 3 has your back. Tired of slow data and spotty LTE performance on your wrist? Not anymore. Bonus upgrades and rumors. What else might be coming? While Apple has been tight-lipped, several additional upgrades are rumored to be part of the Ultra 3 experience. New micro display, improved brightness, durability, and efficiency's 1.0 processor chip, built for WatchOS 11 with even faster neural processing, longer battery life, possibly pushing past 60 hours in low-power mode, custom workout modes, enhanced for extreme sports like ultra running, alpine skiing, and freedive and gym-proof sensors, new environmental sensors for altitude, pressure, and water salinity. While these aren't confirmed yet, Apple's history of iterative hardware refinement suggests we'll see multiple smaller upgrades alongside the three major ones. Release date and pricing expectations. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be unveiled in September 2025, likely alongside the iPhone 17 series. Based on Apple's usual pricing structure, we anticipate the Ultra 3 will launch at a similar price point as the Ultra 2, around $799 to $849. However, with the addition of satellite technology and upgraded cellular hardware, don't be surprised if Apple introduces a higher-tier model or new subscription services, especially for satellite usage. Beyond emergencies, final verdict: is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 worth the hype? Absolutely. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just another smartwatch. It's a transformative tool that bridges the gap between wearable convenience and mission-critical utility. Whether you're an elite athlete, a weekend hiker, or someone who just wants the best health monitoring technology on your wrist, the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be Apple's most feature-complete, safe-to-forward, and future-ready smartwatch yet. If you've been waiting for the Ultra to justify its price tag with truly next-generation features, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the upgrade you've been waiting for.